Hi students, welcome to Take It. In this session, I am learn how to building up a forms in MS Access 2019. So, what is forms and others most important part creating database and tables also discuss my previous video. If you not see this video, just check my description box and also click I button. Alright, now before my start up, let me about tell you what is forms. In general, a form is a printed digital or typed document with blank space for insertion of the required and requested information. Likewise, Access provides forms which promote the user to provided information that can be fed into the database. Forms allows you to edit and update data in order recorded at the time in a table. And very specifically, Access provided a datasheet view, which is convenient way for entering data, but it is not an appropriate tool for every data entry scenario. Sometimes when you work the different user and do not want to expose them to the inner working of Access, you may choose to use Access forms. Creating forms for your database can make entering data much more convenient. When you create a form, you can design it in a way that works with your database and makes sense to you. Although a form can have a different name from a table, but they both manipulate the same information and data. Actually, if you change a record in a form, it will be reflected in your table. Forms in Access are like display cases in stores that make it easier to view or get the item that you want. Data can be inserted, updated and deleted in your database using form object. Okay, next is Access provided three main views. First is form view. This view is used to enter or edit the data. Next is design view. This view is used to adjust the design in your form. It gives you a more detailed view of the structure of form, like header, detail and footer section for form. Third is layout view. This view is used to change the look and feel of a form. It is useful for setting the size of your controls and changing the appearance. Alright, next is creating ways a new form in Access. Just two ways. First is using form wizard, second is using form design. Today I am show the first ways, that is using form wizard, and my next video I am show using form design. Okay, the today main topic is creating a new form in Access using form wizard. So first thing is, what is wizard? The form wizard is an inbuilt feature in MS Access which makes the form creation easy and fast. You can use form wizard than the other provided tools to have more control over a form. To create a form through the form wizard, the step is, first is select the table for your navigation pane and click on the create tab on the ribbon, and the second click on the form wizard option in your form groups, and next is the form wizard dialog box appears on the screen, and select the table or query on which form is to be created from the table or query drop down box where we have selected the table. And also you can set up that's your fields, which is available in your fields category that serves as a data source of your form. Transfer all the fields or selected fields from the available field box to selected fields box by clicking the corresponding button respectively. Click on the next button, and the final step, you can choose all queries and details for your tables. You can click on finish. Now this is I am show in the practical way. Let's watch this video in practical approach digitally. Let's watch this video till end.